Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play with bots in Brawl Stars using a VPN. Playing against bots is a fantastic way to sharpen your skills, test out new characters, or simply enjoy a less competitive environment. First, ensure you have a reliable VPN service installed on your device. Look for one that offers a wide range of server locations. This initial step is crucial for manipulating your game's connection. You want to be sure it is ready before opening the game. The next critical step involves carefully selecting your VPN server. Aim for regions that typically have a lower player density or choose servers during their off-peak hours. For example, connecting to a server in a region like South America at 3 a.m., their local time might give you a higher probability of matching with bots. If your initial server choice does not work, simply try another. Persistence is key to finding the ideal connection for your bot matches. Once your VPN is active and connected to your desired server, you can safely launch Brawl Stars. It is vital to open the VPN first. Do not open Brawl Stars before your VPN is established. Double-check that your VPN shows an active connection, perhaps with a small icon in your status bar or within the VPN app itself. This ensures the game recognizes your new virtual location from the very beginning. The game will then matchmake you into lobbies corresponding to your VPN server. You will quickly notice when you are playing against bots, their behavior is quite distinct. Bots often move in straight lines, attack predictably, and use their super abilities as soon as they are charged. You might find them more frequently in lower trophy matches or specific game modes like gem grab. These matches provide a perfect, low-stress environment for experimenting with brawler abilities, trying out new gadgets, and honing your overall gameplay without the pressure of real opponents. Use this time wisely to improve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.